Hello, welcome to our channel for rprogramming for beginners. In this video, we will show how to use transform function to modify data frames in R. So if you want to modify data frame, so you can just set new values to variables of this data frame. But sometimes there is a function called transform which can be utilized to do similar operations in a compact way. So transform data, this data frame, and with the new values to new variables. So next we will show two examples in RStudio how to use transform function. So first we create a data frame called family member. So you can see there are two columns, name and age. We just try to remember this agent values in the original data frame. So you can use transform this data frame, then after the comma can write variable as this old variable plus 1. We show again this data frame. So now the values have been changed with the new values for the age variable. Next, in another example, we create a data frame called grade by reading a CSV file from working directory. So this data frame shows the grades for the mathematics, physics, and the chemistry for 20 students. Next, say if we want to create two new columns called total grade and the mean grade, which are the sum of mathematics, physics, chemistry, and the mean value of these three. So we can just use traditional way. Grade, total grade equals grade math plus grade physics plus grade chemistry. Or for the mean grade, just the sum of these three divided by 3. Then we show this grade data frame again. So now there are two new columns called total grade and mean grade have been created and appended to this data frame. But if we want to use transform the another way, so we create again this data frame by reading the file. So now there are no total grade, no mean grade. Then we can use the transform function grade, assign to the grade back to the grade, then transform this grade, then total grade equals math, physics, chemistry, and the mean grade equals these 3 divided by 3. So they do not need to add grade here because we have passed the grade, so R know all the variables applied to this data frame using this data frame. So this new one also assigned to this data frame. Then we show again this data frame. So now total grade and mean grade have been created. You can also download the source files for this playlist for rprogramming for beginners, and more videos will be uploaded later on YouTube. Thanks for watching.